Hi, this is Thomas. Welcome to School Maths. The topic of this video is a problem solvable using the factor theorem. So here you need to show that x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. The factor theorem says that x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. That means you need to, in order to check whether x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial, we need to find whether p of 3 is equal to 0 or not. So let us find whether p of 3 is equal to 0 or not. In order to find p of 3, we will replace the variable x by 3. So here x cube will become 3 cube minus 3x square will become 3 times 3 square. We are replacing x by 3 plus 4 times 3 minus 12. So let us find this. 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square is 9 times 3 is 27 again plus 4 into 3 is 12 minus 12. So here you can see 27 minus 27 is 0 plus 12 minus 12 is also is equal to 0. That means p of 3 is equal to 0. That means as per the factor theorem, x minus 3 is a factor of p of x, which is x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.